Hello students. Now today we will do exercise 4.3 next third sum first part. As in the previous session we have done about the completing the square and the quadratic formula. Now we have to apply that formulas and we have to solve the equations. Now see this third question first part. This is the equation x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3 where x is equal to not equal to 0. Now see how we'll solve it. First of all, we'll take LCM. LCM will be x and here it will become x square minus 1 equal to 3x. Now by cross multiply, x square minus 1 will be equal to 3x. Now 3x will come in this side. It becomes x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll write our standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Now we have to find out the roots. We have the three methods to solve this. Now we'll solve this by using quadratic formula. So first of all, we'll compare the coefficient and we'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now for the quadratic formula, first of all, we have to find out d, that is b square minus 4ac. So the b is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 3. Now minus 3 square is 9 and minus minus plus and 4 ones are 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. This is a positive number, so it is a greater than 0. So the roots will exist. Now for the roots, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now put the value of b, d and a here. Then we get b minus of minus 3 plus root 13 upon 2 into 1 and 1 will be 3 minus root 13 upon 2 into 1. Now first of all we'll solve this. Minus minus it will be 3 and it plus root 13, 2 ones are 2. This is the answer, and 1 from the negative we'll get 3 minus root 13 upon 2. These two are the root of this equation. This was our question first part. Now we'll do one word problem and the question number is 9 and the statement is two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter take less the 10 hour less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Now students, here two types of taps are there. One the larger tap and one smaller tap. And they are saying that smaller tap is taking 10 hour more than the larger tap. So here we let the tap with the larger tap will fill the tank in x hour. हम यहाँ पर स्मॉलर टैप भी ले सकते हैं. अगर हम यहाँ पे लेंगे कि लेट द टैप विद स्मॉलर टैप फिल द टैंक इन x hour, then the larger tap will be x minus 10 hour. And if we'll take the tap with the larger tap will take fill the tank in x hour, then the smaller will be x plus 10 hour. And both the tap will fill the tank in 9 and 3 by 8 hours, that is 75 by 8 hours. Now according to question, देखो that in x hour larger tap is filling the tank. In 1 hour larger tap can fill the 1 by x part and the smaller tap can fill the 1 upon x plus 10 part. Both the tap together are filling in 75 by 8 hours. So in 1 hour it can fill 8 upon 75. So this will be our equation. Now first of all we'll take the LCM, x into x plus 10, and here we got x plus 10 plus x. Now x plus x will be 2x plus 10 and we'll multiply these two. It will get x square plus 10x will be equal to 8 upon 75. Now by cross multiply we get 75 into 2x plus 10 equal to 8 into x square plus 10x. Now 75 2s are 150x, 75 10s are 750, and here 8 into x square will be 8x square and 8 into 10 will be 80x. Now we'll take it in the one side, we'll get 8x square plus 80x minus 150 minus 750 equal to 0. Now 8x square, 80 minus 150, we got minus 70x minus 750 equal to 0. Now we'll take 2 as a common from this, then we'll get 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Now 2 will go in that side, so 0 upon 2 becomes a 0. So our equations is 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Now again, by using quadratic formula, we have to find out the value of x. So d is equal to, that was the b square minus 4ac. According to this, minus 35 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is minus 375. So minus 35 square is 1225, and this minus will be plus. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 375, we got 6000. So 6000 plus 1225 plus, we got 7225. That is a positive number, means greater than 0. So the roots will exist. Now we'll find out the roots. So for the finding the roots, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. So x is equal to minus of minus 35 plus minus root 7225 upon 2 into 4. Minus minus it becomes plus 35, and root of this 7225 is 85 upon 4 to the 8. Now once we'll take it positive, and it will be 35 plus 85 by 8, that is 120 by 8, that is 15r. And once we'll take it negative, then 35 minus 85, that is minus 50 upon 8, and this is the negative. So times cannot be in a negative, so it is a rejected. So the answer is, the larger tap will fill the tank in 15r, and the smaller tap will fill the tank in 15 plus 10, that is 25 hours. Thank you. This was there in your this exercise.